In this video, we are going to install the Entity Framework Core tools. With these tools, we can use Entity Framework Core commands from the command line. This is important if you are not going to use Visual Studio. If you are going to use directly the .NET CLI, you must install this tool that we're going to install in this video. And anyway, even if you use Visual Studio, when we get to deploy our application, our web API into Azure, we are going to need this tool, so let's install it anyway. This tool, you can find it here in docs.microsoft.com, efcorecli.net, and in order to install it, you have to come here and take this command, .NET tool install global.NET ef. So I'll take this, and I will go to a command line, and I will paste the command here, and I'll press enter. In my case, I already have it installed, that is why I got this message. And if you want to make sure, if you have it, you can do .NET ef and press enter, and you are going to see that you have the tool installed. And if you see that you have an old version, you can come here and you can use this command to update the tool. So I will do this, and as you can see, now I have the latest version, version 5.0.